Though on Highway 11 northbound looks good all the way into Huntsville. As you travel eastbound on the 401, still the stubborn volume from east to the 412 to approaching Brock Street and through Thixon. Those are just minor slowdowns, so won't delay you too much. No issues on the eastbound 407 through the Durham region, and we've also got a 35 115 traveling up to speed into the Kawarthas. Eastbound Highway 7, though, as you head into Peterborough, still have that construction east of the Parkway to Bedford Road. Single lane bridge construction there, and so it is a bit busy through that construction zone. With Cottage Country traffic on the 9s, I'm Kyle Hawking.
Introducing the Coors Light Silver Bullet, a stainless steel beer sleeve designed to keep your Coors Light cold. Available in 24-pack cans in the beer store for a limited time while supplies last.
What if you won this Friday's Lotto Max jackpot of an estimated $60 million? Would you stay inside and hide from the rain? Or would you head to the coast of Spain? Would you let winter get you down? Or would you head to Australia and turn things around? Would Friday be spent surfing the net? Or would you make it a great day you'd never forget? Dream bigger. This Friday's Lotto Max jackpot is an estimated $60 million, plus an estimated 50 additional prizes of $1 million with Max Millions. With Greedy Rates, Italy, love, and first swipe for you and your credit card. GreedyRates.ca. Try it now. It's like a dating service for credit cards, and it's free. Just enter your criteria, and Greedy Rates searches the entire Canadian credit card universe, including cards you didn't even know existed. What are you looking for? The most